Okay, so all you have to do is start with putting your website on the Chrome. Okay, once you're on the website, you click on login. Now here's the thing. If you have not signed up earlier, then you have to sign up first. So let's sign up. You put your phone number and your email ID and you sign up. You'll receive an OTP. Now you have to put the OTP and verify it. So that is how you log in. Okay. Now scroll down to the courses you are interested in. We have DILR, full quantitative aptitude, VARC, algebra. But now, right now, we are going to buy the quantitative aptitude course. So go to the course and apply the coupon and buy the course. Proceed to pay and the payment is done. Now you can go back to the course. It will take a while. Once you refresh, you can see that the course full quantitative aptitude is visible now. You click on the course and now before when it was showing buy now option, now you can see learn now option. You can just click on the learn now option. So now you can see all the classes here, starting with percentage. If you click on the drop down option on the percentage chapter, you can see classes. Classes is the concept builder lectures. Then you can see classwork and then you can see homework. So there will be concept builder lectures, there will be classwork, which are questions that are solved. And then there are homework questions, which are also there. You also have profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, and all the chapters covered in the quantitative aptitude. And you can go through the lectures one by one. Here you can just play the video and start watching. Yeah, and that's it.